Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Shortcuts app or the app's shortcut settings. Make sure the device is unlocked and responsive. Once done, find the specific app entry you will modify. This focuses the work and avoids accidental edits. You may need to scroll or use search to locate it quickly. If a backup matters, create one now so you can revert. Now tap the app to enter its shortcut editing view and prepare to modify trigger, action, or icon. You now inspect the shortcut's actions and triggers to change behavior. Tap an action to edit parameters, then add or remove steps using the plus or delete controls. Reordering changes execution order. Make sure triggers, like tap, Siri phrase, or widget, match how you want to launch the app. Also check any variables, required permissions, or third-party integrations so the shortcut runs without stopping. Once configured, run a quick test from inside. You finish by saving the shortcut, giving it a clear name, and setting an icon or widget placement if available. This makes it easy to find. Then run the shortcut using the primary launch method, tap, Siri, or widget, and watch each step execute to confirm success. If something goes wrong, check permission prompts, reopen the editor to inspect variable values, and restore from the backup if needed. If failure persists, reset the app's permissions and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.